In the heart of the Wild West, amidst the rugged terrain of Utah, lies a retro oasis that beckons travelers seeking a taste of adventurous nostalgia. It is here that three friends, each with a spirit as bold as the desert sun, set out on a road trip like no other. First, there's Blake, a rugged cowboy at heart with a penchant for storytelling and a knack for navigating the untamed wilderness on his iron horse. His eyes sparkle with the wisdom of the land, and his laughter echoes through the canyons like a melody of the Old West. Next is Al E., a sharpshooting belle of the prairie whose adventurous spirit knows no bounds. With a passion for exploration and a keen eye for detail, she uncovers hidden gems in the vast expanse, her presence adding a touch of grace to the rugged landscape. And finally, there's Logan, a free-spirited drifter with a camera in hand and a song in his heart. His photos carry across the desert winds, weaving tales of love and loss, of triumph and tragedy, adding a touch of harmony to the wild symphony of the West. Together, these three friends embark on a journey through the dusty trails and winding roads of Utah. Their bond is strong as the ancient rocks that stand over the land. As they traverse the rugged terrain, each sunset painting the sky in hues of orange and red, they discover that true adventure isn't just about the destination, but the journey and the camaraderie forged along the way.
What's that?
It like, if it falls upside down, it'll go, and then you start the motor and you're like, but now I can't get out of the fucking settings menu.
You're just gonna press the orange button, I think. There you go.
Okay. Now. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. That's a fucking lifesaver.
Turtle mode activated.
Are we, Logie?
We're on Mars.
We are on Mars.
Contrary to popular belief, you don't actually need oxygen here because it's in the atmosphere, I guess. So NASA's wrong.
It's livable. We out here. I'm about to get the Mars mobile out of the truck.
The Mars rover.
Stranded out here on Mars. We've run out of food and water. All we have left is these pub beers. Drink pub beer, not sponsored, but it's good.
As the sun sets over Utah's red rocks and vast desert, Blake, Ali, and Logan realize that their road trip has led them to a bond beyond mere adventure. In the quiet of the ancient landscape, their shared stories and laughter echo a timeless tune. Standing amidst the beauty of the Wild West, they understand that this journey is just the beginning of many to come, with endless horizons awaiting their next adventure.